those words are being translated as, what are these purple knobs? I've seen knobs before, but not quite like these. Where did you get these knobs from? Look at those knobs. Sir, could you tell me about these particular knobs? In this shape and size? Yeah, like that one. Yeah. Sir, could you get over here and tell me about this particular knob? This one on the left. If I can just get one person to tell me about this knob! That's it. I come into this store. Sir, you. Could you please tell me about this knob right here? This one. Do you have this one in my size? I'm gonna get my own knobs. Darn this store.